Hey guys, it's Adam, and today I'm showing you whether it's still worth it to do dropshipping on eBay in 2020. Most likely, I'm assuming you've been looking on YouTube and the internet in general to see if eBay dropshipping actually works. And I'm hoping that you're convinced that it does work. But I'm sure you're still skeptical and you're wondering, is it too good to be true? And does it still work as good as it used to work? So, in all honesty, just so you don't feel like you've been clickbaited to watch the entire video, my short answer is yes, it still does work in 2020 and it works quite well. However, I do genuinely believe that the game has changed and you do need to adapt and work differently to what you would have had to work 5 years ago. The method to make money with eBay dropshipping today is completely different to what it was 5 years ago. So, first of all, how much money can you expect to make from eBay dropshipping? Well, my answer here is a little bit biased since it is based on what I've earned. Now, please know that in short, depending on how many hours you put in and how effectively you work, it will reflect on how much money you earn. I am a 16-year-old student that goes to school from Monday to Friday, and on the weekend I have a casual job that I usually work Sunday shifts. So hopefully that gives you a rough idea of how much pastime I actually have. Now obviously with that pastime I'm not always working on eBay dropshipping, and I do spend quite a bit of time talking to friends and playing games. So anyway, let's just say that every week I only spend 1 or 2 hours working on eBay dropshipping. Honestly, by no means is this a lot of work. But keep in mind that when I first started dropshipping, I was spending more like 2 hours every day during the week and about 4 or 5 hours every day on the weekend. So the amount of time I have and the amount of time I've spent is probably similar to most teenagers around my age and most adults with part-time or full-time jobs. With this time dedicated to working on eBay dropshipping, I have managed to create myself a $20 to $40 a day income in US dollars, sometimes ranging to $70 or $80 in a day. However, do keep in mind that this is only from about 20 minutes of work a day. Now, like I've said before, if you want to succeed with eBay dropshipping, you do need to adjust how you're working compared to what people were doing 5 years ago. Nowadays, it's incredibly important to find the correct products and the correct price for your products. Before, when there was much less competition on eBay, you could just find any product and slap it onto eBay. And since there would be very minimal competition, you would obviously get sales. However, today you may realize that almost every product has been listed, and there are hundreds of competitors. Now this means that the only way you can possibly succeed is by finding the right items that sell, and by finding the right price which is more competitive than the next person. Now luckily, and yes I am promoting myself here, I have created a video on my product research strategy. I would really recommend watching this if you're serious about eBay dropshipping. So I'm just going to put that up here in the top right hand corner of your screen. Click on that and I will show you the exact strategy I use to find products that I already know are selling. Anyway, once again, yes, eBay dropshipping is of course worth it in 2020. However, it is not quite as easy as it was some years ago, and there is a little bit more you need to be doing to succeed. However, it still is perfectly reasonable to make money. So anyway, I hope that this short video has helped you weigh up whether it's worth it or not. And I hope for you the answer is yes. The final thing I need to say is, I would start now. Like I've said before, it's already getting more and more competitive. And really, the best time to start would have been yesterday. So really, create an eBay account today. It's free and it does not take long at all, and start getting items listed. The more feedback you can accumulate now, the easier it will be for years to come. Thanks for watching the video until the end, guys. Make sure to click the video up here if you want to find out how I do my product research. Thank you.